Hey y'all, I thought about finding some cool sounds and songs, and I don't know, I just couldn't really find anything that I wanted to put on here, so you're just gonna have to hear my lovely voice. I could sing for you, but maybe another time. I have some songs I can guarantee you've never heard that I will sing at one point on one of my, probably somewhere in the middle of one of my longer videos, like a build video or something. Anyway, what's going on here is I was flying my 5-inch FPV Cycle Glide, and I've been trying to like learn some spins like that, learn power loop. You should see my other video where my neighbor tried a power loop. He ended up slapping it into the underside of that green right there, that green roof. Hit the throttle a little too soon. So I just wanted to run through it, and so I lined up that first time, lined up this time, and you're about to see something happen. Oh, I made it through, but ooh, power loop fail. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Boom. Anyway, like and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me.